Our today's lecture is gonna be about the auxiliary verbs. So let's get started. Well, auxiliary verbs are those verbs which help or assist the lexical verbs or the ordinary verbs. For example, he has called him. In this sentence, has is used as an auxiliary or as a helping verb because it is helping the main verb called. So we have different types of auxiliary verbs. Today, I'm going to discuss the principal auxiliary verbs or the primary auxiliary verbs. So, primary auxiliary verbs are those auxiliary verbs which have two functions in a sentence. It means that can be used as main verbs or that can be used as helping verbs. In a nutshell, they are dual function verbs. For example, in this sentence, you are a teacher. The verb are is used as main verb. And in next sentence, you are teaching English. Are is used as the helping verb, which is helping the main verb teaching. So there are three subtypes of primary auxiliary verbs. The first type is called to be verbs. So to be verbs are is, am, are, was, were, be, been, and being. They are called to be verbs. You know better, is, am, are used in present form. That's called the present form of to be verbs. Was and were are used in past. Been and being are been is used in past participle form and being is used as present participle form, and be can be used as first form. So the next type is called to have verbs. So to have verbs are three in number: has, have, and had. Has is used with singular subjects, for example, with he, she, it, and singular nouns, and have is used with plural subjects, for example, I, you, we, they, and plural countable nouns. They're used in present, and had is used with all subjects, in past. And the next type is called, that's the first, that's number two, and this is number three, to do verbs. So there are three to do verbs. For example, do, does, and did. So do and does are used in present, with do is used with plural subjects and does is used with singular subjects, and did is used in past tense with all the subjects. So these verbs can be used as main verbs and as helping verbs.